Kayla, Product Manager for Hubbell Outdoor and Beacon Products, and today I'm here to introduce to you the new Airo Micro Strike TradeSelect. This is the same form factor and performance of our new Airo product, but now available in stock configurations as part of our TradeSelect program. These are available in 12,000 and 18,000 lumen options to replace 250 and 400 watt HID products. And they utilize microstrike optics to limit backlight and optimize spacing between the poles, so you can do more with less light, which results in even lower energy bills and a more evenly illuminated application. These optics are also field rotatable, which gives you even more flexibility with your fixture layouts. The Airo TradeSelect configurations come standard with a universal arm mount, but can be converted to a wall mount or mast arm fitter in the field with the addition of an accessory kit. You can find more information about the new Airo Micro Strike TradeSelect, as well as a real-time look at inventory on HubbellLighting.com.